What's important is for them to understand that the people around them and working with the people around them and communicating with the people around them is very important to being successful. That's where it starts. And where it goes from there in terms of that level of communication and who you're communicating with depends on how and where you grow within the organization. Being a part of the team, and that's what communication helps you do, is really, really important. There may be a few businesses where you can work in isolation and do your thing and that's all you need to do. Architecture is not one of those, and design is not one of those. Being a part of a team and being communicative and being a team member is extremely important to our profession.
Be patient. Learn to learn from others. Second, look for opportunity. And I used to do this. I used to go, look for opportunity. It's like big O like this, anywhere you look in this office. When you see it, go for it. People would stay late hours, work together. But I also, I like to walk around, talk to people, see what's happening, not just on the boards, but also in their lives. And I think that sets a sort of tone about just, yeah, we're all in this together and we enjoy each other's company. We're working hard. We're all proud of what we're accomplishing.
I say, don't be afraid. There's so much knowledge and talent in the firm. Don't be afraid to just speak up and ask. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because you can learn a lot. And if you learn one thing every day, you're going to get pretty smart by the time the year's over, or after 38 years goes by, you'll get pretty smart. Find out what you're passionate about, right? If you're passionate about design, or you're more interested in how things work and seeing things through working drawings, find out what you're really passionate about. The best architects are the ones that can take a blank piece of paper and come up with some sort of design, but then also know how to draw it, coordinate it, and get it built.
Enjoy the experience. I think a new WATG employee, a new person coming into the firm, probably doesn't know what they're going to experience. There's so many different facets of architecture, and you can go into the design side, you can go into the management side, you can go into the technical side. You can combine all of them, and when you come to WATG, it allows you the experience of being able to see what each of these different avenues allows you to experience, so that you can grow to the best of your ability, wherever your talents are, wherever your interests are. That to me is the best advice I could give.